Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an interesting topic on 3D bioprinting. Basically, 3D bioprinting is a process of fabricating cell-aided bio functional tissue constructs and organs from 3D digital models. Okay, so the 3D bioprinting process has several advantages over the classical tissue engineering method. The major limitation in the classical tissue engineering method is inability to fabricate complex biomimetic structure, which result in an oversimplified tissue construct, which rendering the engineered tissue inaccurate with the unrealistic cell environment. Okay, so but the 3D bioprinting has several advantages over the classical tissues engineering method. So in that, such as the major advantages such as it has great potential to fabricate complex, sophisticated biomimetic tissue construct, high precision geometrical freedom and control, customizability, printability of wide range of materials, ability to incorporate and precious spatio-temporal placement of proteins, growth factors, drugs, DNA and other biochemicals, wide range of cell density and possibility of cell density gradient, reproducibility, and finally repeatability. So these are the advantages of this 3D bioprinting. Okay, so because of these advantages, the 3D bioprinting have multi-fold application in healthcare sector. So which include disease modeling, drug discovery and testing, high throughput screening and regenerative medicine. Okay, so this is all about some basics about the 3D printing, 3D bioprinting. Okay, next we will what are the difference between 3D printing and 3D bioprinting. So in both the process is both this 3D printing and 3D bioprinting process which build a 3D object layer by layer from a 3D model. But the 3D bioprinting which involve the use of cell-aided bio-ink and other biologics which used to construct living tissues. But in 3D printing technology, do not use any cells or biologics. Okay, so this is the major difference between the 3D printing and 3D bioprinting. Okay, next we will discuss what are the major steps in 3D bioprinting. So a typical bioprinting consists of three major steps such as pre-processing, processing and post-processing. In the pre-processing, which involve imaging of the tissues or organ using a sophisticated diagnostic tools like computer tomography, magnetic resonance imaging and ultrasound imaging. So once we capture the image of the tissue and then reconstruct this DICOM, it means these all diagnostic imaging are in the form of DICOM images. So then this DICOM image will construct into 3D model, and then this 3D model are then converted into STL file format, that means stereolithographic file format, which is commonly accepted file format by most of the commercially available bioprinters. Okay, this is all about the first step, that is pre-processing. Next, processing. So this is a very important step in the 3D bioprinting. So in this step we start with harvesting primary cells from the patient, and this the harvested cell then cultured in a suitable environment and expanded it into ex vivo for the bioprinting process. Okay, so at the same time we have to choose suitable bio ink with proper properties which mimic the intended tissue to be printed. Okay, and the selected and this cultured cell then suspended in the bio ink. Then it will the cell laden bio ink are then fabricated into required 3D living tissue or organ according to the 3D model using a bioprinter. Okay, this is the all steps in the processing. Okay, next that is post-processing. Okay, in the post-processing, which involve maintaining the printed tissue and organ in a bioprinter for tissue maturation. So we have to wait for tissue maturation. Once the tissue become mature, then we can transplant it into in vivo model for disease modeling and drug testing. Okay, so then final is the application part, that is we can apply into a living organism. So this is all about the steps which involve the 3D printing. Okay, so this is all some basics about the 3D printing. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you may gain some basics about 3D bioprinting. And if you like this tutorial, please share with your contacts and friends. Thank you.